Let's create a art vase. See, this is a kind of vase. With the help of this sketch, we don't have any drawing and dimensions. Simply we will use this one. uh my suggestion is just took a screenshot of this and use this in your drawing. Okay, let's go to new. Okay, let me activate front plane sketch. Now let me draw one line, midpoint line. Draw one line. Make sure it's horizontal and define dimensions 100 millimeter. Enter. Now go to tool. Now here sketch tool, come down. See sketch picture. Just click and drag from your location. See, this is the R open. Now see. Now just simply resize and match your according to your position. Okay, we just give 100 millimeters, so just place at center. We have to match this 100 millimeter. It's almost going to be, make little again, drag inside and reduce the size. Now it's little smaller. It's almost there, so simply say okay. Now let me create some sketch here. I'm going to select spline. Okay, let me create line. Let's draw one line, something here. Vertical line. Draw some line up to here. Use spline. First point, second point, and say something third point. If you select this one, just adjust the things. Okay, again choose spline. Connect from here, one here, one here, one something here, and connect with this. Right click, okay. Now select this spline, hold shift key, select this line, tangent. Now make this line construction line. Similarly, connect this point to here, and you can adjust, drag handle and change the directions where you feel we need. Okay, this is going to be a kind of shape. Now select this spline and this line, this point, tangent. Okay, select this sketch. Okay, now simply exit. Okay, this is the old drawings. Now again choose front plane sketch. Now we need to divide this. Select this sketch, hold shift key, select this sketch, convert entity. And let me draw one more. Draw this line and again press L and draw one more lines near somewhere here. Now select this line parallel to this line. Similarly, this one also parallel to this line. Okay, I'm not going to define any dimensions. Simply go to surface, apply extruded surface, and here keep end condition blind and make something like this. Okay, we are going to use this one. Let's see how. Select this face, sketch, activate circle. Sir, now you select center point and create one circle up to this point. See, this is fully defined. Exit. Now again select this bottom face, sketch, activate circle, isometric view. Okay. Now here let me draw circle, define point. See this place point at midpoint. Now select this point, hold shift key and select this curve, pierce. Similarly do other side, point, curve, pierce. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Exit. I will do the same for all. Select this face, sketch, activate circle. Let's take isometric view. Okay, let me draw one circle. Okay, here also we need to define some point. Point makes your life easy. Otherwise, you have to find the points. Select the point, hold shift key, curve, pierce. Similarly, select this point, this line, pierce, exit. And the last sketch, activate circle. Let's rotate. Now here we have a line, so you can select midpoint. Select this midpoint, extrude up to end point. Right click, okay. See, this is black means fully defined sketch. Now simply exit. Now I'm going to hide this extruded surface. Now let's apply lofted surface. Now here, close profile. Let me choose this circle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now here in guided curve, select this one. Now see, you have to choose group because line and curve. So select, see this symbol, tangent symbol, click and expand. Okay. Select this bottom one. Again the same thing. Either you can select manually. All lines selected, yes. Now here normal to profile. Okay, I'm going to keep relation none. Okay. See, if you want to change some dimensions or anything, you can simply edit, sketch. Now you can simply make little smooth. If you see something like this, exit. Okay, it's look little bit better. Now again show this previous sketch. Okay, now again I am going to select front plane, sketch. Now let's come down, activate line, start from this point to here. Select these two. construction line, okay, fillet 10 millimeter, okay, let's define 40. I think we didn't make perfect align here. Revolve boss base, select this, okay, okay, let's go as it is because our drawing is not perfectly aligned at center. Okay. Now let's select front plane sketch. Now I want to trim some portion. Something like this. Then again, make it horizontal. Again line. And make this horizontal. Now go to surface. Apply trim surface. Standard sketch, remove selection. Select this face, and this face. Remove. Now it's time to connect with this. Now you can hide this previous sketch. Let's go split line. Now select body, these two. Here choose intersection. Here select front face, right face. See these lines we need. Okay. See. Front plane sketch. Activate here spline. Select this end. Select this end. Right click. Okay. Now drag handle. Now here make tangent relation in each. Select this curve and this edge tangent. Similarly do other side. This outer edge, this curve, spline, tangent relation. Again do the other side. First point, second point, right click, select. Just drag handle. Select this one, make tangent. Similarly, outer edge, tangent. Okay, this is our path. Simply exit. Now again this time we will choose right plane, sketch, spline, select first, drag and select this point. Normal view, spline. Just select this center line, hold shift key, this spline, tangent relation. Similarly do bottom side, line, spline, tangent. Okay, one side is enough for us. Exit. Now it's time. Now once we did this one, okay, sketch these two, select extruded, reverse direction 10 millimeter. Okay, now this is our face. It makes drawing better. Go to boundary surface. For direction, right click, selection manager. Here choose group, select 1 and 2. Yes. Again choose right click, selection manager. Choose here group, select bottom these two edges. Okay. Yes. Now for direction 1, select this edge. Then second this one. Then third this edge. Now here one option called tangency to face. Now here tangent influence keep 100 millimeter. 100. Look. Okay. See. Now click and hide this. Okay, all these sketch already hidden. Let's mirror. Now mirror face, front plane, body to mirror. Select this. Don't uncheck knit and merge. Okay. See here, we done. Now let's go to surface, planar surface. Select these two edges. Let's check if possible both all come together. Okay. Now we almost done, but this is surface body. If you see section view, knit surface. Now select all. Create solid merge entities. Say okay. Section view. Okay. See, we created a solid body. Go to feature, shell, 2 mm thickness. Select these two faces. If you want to see preview, okay. Let's see section view. Fine. See, exit. Now fillet. Now here choose full round fillet. Select first face, activate second face, activate third face. Okay. Similarly do other side. First face, activate second face, activate. Don't choose this one. Select this side. Clear this side. Okay. Oh, see, we done. So this is how we make a simple art vase. Don't forget to share and like our video. And please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.